Oh, I don't know how to open it yet. Oh, what? Did you guys see that? Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather Spears and welcome in. So I was thinking about it and I was thinking, you know, personal style reaches far beyond the realms of fashion. Whether we do our hair a certain way or we accessorize in a certain way or anything else we do to kind of alter the way that we look. But that's all personal style and it's all so fascinating. So while I usually do fashion here, today I'm kind of stepping out of that a little bit and I am going to be talking about makeup, which is another thing that we do for our personal style. So what I did was I came across this super cool PUR Cosmetic Cross Barbie makeup vault. So it was a super cool box that comes with all of the super cute items from PUR Cosmetic Cross Barbie collection, and I'm going to be unboxing that here with you guys today. So I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I sure do love this stuff, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got in my Barbie vault. Okay, so this is the box, and it is such a good quality box. Like, this is a keeper, the box itself. But I'm gonna dive in and I'm gonna show you guys some close-ups and all that throughout the video too. But let's dive in and check out how it is. I'm so excited. I have kind of gone through this a little bit, but I haven't opened the products yet. And so, this box, it has like a way to, I don't want to like mess it up. Okay, so it has like a way to get these things out because it's layered in such a fun way. So, layer number one is right here. And what this layer is, it is the eyeshadow palette, which is right here. And it comes with so many different beautiful colors, you guys. Opening it up, let's see here. Opening it up, it says never lose your sparkle, which I never plan to. I love sparkles. So this is what it looks like, and it has all of the names to all of the colors right here on the back. And I love the way that, first of all, the container matches the box, and second of all, it is sparkly itself. So looking in at the makeups here, so one thing that I want to note is the color palette here is not exactly what you would expect when you think of Barbie. You think of, you know, bright pink and all of that stuff. These are not bright colors. They are super neutral. And honestly, I like using these kind of colors for my eyes a lot more than bright colors most of the time, especially for daily wear, because they're a lot easier and a lot more subtle. So there's a lot of peaches here, there's maroons, and there's even a blue here, which, you know, very neat. But what I like about the palette, which is gonna sound so silly from like a makeup standpoint, is I like the way that the colors are shaped. It's just kind of unique and kind of fun to look at. So I'm gonna put this one aside for now. I'm gonna put that back in the box. But next, on layer number one, we have this, which this I believe is maybe the blush. Yeah, Malibu blush. Now this is 6 different colors of blush. So one of the things, especially a lot when I was younger, I only had one shade of blush that it was my go-to shade, and it was called Hot Mama. But it was not from PUR Cosmetics, but it was my go-to thing. So now this is 6 whole different shades, which is very exciting. Of course, now I have other shades from other brands that I use, but definitely having 6 in one place is going to enhance my makeup a lot, because, you know, you want those different shades. And this is what it looks like. And now it kind of goes from more of a peach to beige, and you go all the way up to darker colors. So I think this is super useful, and definitely something I needed to kind of have all in one space like that, because that's the one thing that I always kind of skimp on, is just having the color blush that I think matches my skin tone the best and not really venturing out at all. So that is that, super cute, same packaging, all cute and gold like that. And that is it for layer number 1 of the vault. Now when you take out this little thing here, I just want to show you, you can take this out. This is just the packaging that comes with it, and you can see this is what makes the whole vault box usable afterwards if you didn't want to put makeup in it. It has the Barbie logo right here on it, which is so cool. So I don't know if I'm more impressed with the makeup or the box, right? Anyway, moving right along, layer number 2 of the vault is right here, and this is something very unique that I was not, it has a little protective little thing here, that I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it, you know? This is a little skincare regimen, and it comes with, let me see here, deep pore cleanser, age-defying concentrate, and gel to water hydrating moisturizer. Now, I've always had trouble with my skin. Ever since I was like a preteen, I had trouble with my skin. I still have trouble with my skin as, you know, an adult. So trying new skin products is always kind of scary to me. Now these ones look really, really cool. I am going to try these. I am glad that they're in sample sizes because I don't know if they're gonna work for me. But even though I have issues with my skin quite often, that doesn't keep me from being so interested in skin products that I love to put things on my face. I'm excited to try this. I don't know if this is going to be something that I stick with or if it's just going to be a fun little trial thing, but yeah, I mean, nothing can hurt to try, right? Barbie Skin Essentials, and that is layer number 2, and it has, if you can see the Barbie logo on that, and it's actually alternate colors, which is kind of cool. Okay, moving right along, layer number 3, and this is my most exciting layer because it comes with this beautiful, fun, magical eyes kit, which is mascara. It comes with a mascara primer and mascara itself. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love the idea of long eyelashes. I put fake lashes on. I do whatever I can do to get those long lashes. I have heard nothing but good about this. This is hands down the product that I'm most excited to try here. And yeah, so let's see if these make my lashes look like Barbie. That would be so cool. Okay, and also in this set, let me put this one over here. We have, okay, this is, you guys, this is a brush set, and it comes in the cutest little container here. It's like super easy to kind of grab out here. It comes with a powder brush, a cheek brush, fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, eyeshadow packer brush, and an angled liner brush. So this has like some basic brushes that you need to get your face on. Cute container, and I'm popping this guy open right now to see what the brushes actually look like. This is what it looks like opened, and in here we've got the cutest little brushes ever, which they're all protected in here, super, super nice. They each have a little bow on there, and the bow has rhinestones in it. I think that is just so cute. Not to mention the color of these things are adorable. Like, you know, just like, wow. That makes me so happy to see. But yeah, they're gold and pink and they match everything. And my favorite little part is just pop them straight back into the container and you have yourself a little brush container to go with it. That is a super, super, super cute item. I love this. So far, this is my favorite thing. Okay, but last but not least, the last and final layer of the vault is right here. And let's see what we got here. First off, we have Iconic Lips Signature Semi-Matte Lipstick. Ooh, this is Innovator is the color. So when we get in here, show it off a little bit. We get in here, and I know I keep talking about the packaging, you guys, but look at that. Matching cute packaging. Like, what? How do you open this? I don't know how to open it yet. Oh. What? Did you guys see that? Okay. The tip of this has the Barbie logo on it, like, what? But I don't know, I'm gonna do that, you know, up close too so you can see it. But you click on this little piece here and it like shoots the lipstick out the bottom to take it off. That's just fun. That just has an element of fun to it. Okay, that looks like a really pretty color. Very neutral kind of fun color. Okay, next we have, what is this? Confident Glow Signature Illuminating Highlighter. Okay, I just saw on the back it shows what it looks like on the inside and it looks so cute. It's like a darn shame that, you know, when the logos and stuff are printed on there, like this one, like, you know, that's not gonna last very long, but it sure does feel good to have it, doesn't it? So this is your highlighter, and wow, that's just beautiful. It looks like it has two kind of different colors in there to kind of experiment with, which is Pink Taffy, which is rose gold shade, and Bubbly, which is champagne shade. So, wow. That's another thing, like how I was saying about the blushes. When it comes to me and highlighter, I have like one color of highlighter that I use for every look. So having a little bit of a mix up on the colors of the highlighter is like, that's new and fun too. Finally, we have the last item, which is the Signature High Shine Lip Gloss. Now, I am always way more of a lipstick kind of girl, especially liquid lipstick, but definitely like the shimmer of a gloss, and that's always kind of fun to just, I always keep a gloss in my pocket because sometimes when I put on like lipstick or something before I leave, it doesn't always last and it gets kind of like, I like to call them like Joker lines, you know what I mean? So having a lip gloss on me at all times always helps me fix my lips if I've ever eaten them off or talked them off or whatever, you know what I mean. So this is a really, really fun neutral shade that could go over kind of some shades of lipstick there. But it has a little button here. Is that how you open it? It is. You press the button and then it opens. I don't know why that's so cool. It adds like so much to it, but love it. I think that's super cool color and definitely easy to wear. So, and with that, that is all of the layers of the Barbie Vault, and yeah, the box is magnetic. I just figured that out, the box is magnetic. And very, very cute, easy for storing, you know, things other than the makeup too. Eventually I'm gonna put the makeup with the rest of my makeup and then go in and use this for storage for something else. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. Okay, you guys, so that is it at the closer look at what came inside the PUR Cosmetics Barbie Vault. Now, this was so fun and so cool. I am such a Barbie girl, and I absolutely love, you know, everything that they gave in this vault. Now, I haven't tried these exact products yet, but I am a fan of PUR Cosmetics. And I have other products that I've used from them that I absolutely adore, so I can't wait to get my hands dirty in these ones. But anyway, before I go for today, you guys may have noticed some subtle Barbie references, you know, around the background and stuff in this video. And this is actually a room that I renovated and redid for my sister one day as a surprise. And I was just curious, I'm trying to kind of broaden what I bring to my channel, and doing kind of outside DIYs is one of those things that I really love to do. You'll notice me painting walls, putting up wallpapers, doing all sorts of home renovations and little projects like that. You know, if you really know me, you know that's part of who I am. So I was just curious if you guys here on my channel would like me to kind of bring that here and show you guys, you know, those kinds of things too. So if that's something you'd like to see, or you'd like to see a video of how I renovated this room, I did film it, I just never, you know, put it out there, then leave that in the comment box below so I know that would be something you guys might be interested in seeing. So I just want to thank you guys so much for spending the time with me here today. I always appreciate it and always love hanging out with you guys. So if you saw anything that you liked here, please give me a thumbs up so that I know. And if you'd like to hang out again, hit that subscribe button. You are always welcome to join me. Until next time, friends, Bye!